Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. And yesterday was an expiry and I was kind of tired. I couldn't post a video. Anyway, I think most of you would have been in profit last July series, July series, July series. May series, we had a very big drawdown. June, we didn't trade much. July was really very good month for me. We played with around 25% of our capital and it turned out to be a very, very good month. Actually, till day before yesterday, account was in good profit, but yesterday, this gap up and VIX dropping by 6.5% dented our account significantly, right? So we ended up with a 2% profit. You forget 2% profit. Even if I make 1% profit in a month, I'll be more than happy, right? If you make, let's say, 1% per month, maybe you are in the top list of traders, right? Many people say, or many people argue, even yesterday in our Telegram group, we were discussing about some people making huge profit, 60 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs in a day. I really don't know if they are making. I'm happy for them. Let's forget about that and let's talk about our thing. So we have why I'm saying this is we have a very vibrant Telegram group. If you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below, right? And coming back to our market, markets are really calm nowadays. As you may see today also, India VIX dropped by more than 2%. So this all tells us not only this, many other data, like if you see the open interest, futures, premium on discount, price action, FII. So all data is in a positive note, right? So what we expect, contrary to our expectation, we thought after maybe after US Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate by 75 basis point, market moving like this is really very very like it is abnormal, I think, right? I thought it was a bad news. So if there is a bad news, market should be going on the downside. But what is happening globally, markets are recovering. Even if you see the US market, S&P VIX has dropped and come down below 25. That's a real positive thing. 10-year bond yield is come to 2.85 or 2.83. It was more than 3.25. It has also come down. So market smart money is coming back to the market. They are taking out from, they are moving from bonds to cash market or stock market. And this all tells just one thing, that we might go on the higher side, right? So if you see this thing charts, it was a very good gap up. In between, it tried to close below 17,000. I'm talking about Nifty, but it couldn't go below 17,000. And FIIs, we'll talk about FIIs in a few minutes, have pumped the market to around 17,157. That is the day's high, right? And if you see Bank Nifty and stocks in Nifty, I think all favorite, FII favorite, Reliance was very supportive today. Reliance alone was more than 2.13. Tata Steel, yesterday I think there was a split in Tata Steel, 7.2%. to Sun Pharma, ONGC, IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank has been rallying for at least 2 or 3 trading session, if I could remember. And all the things are green. And Bank Nifty, not only Nifty, Bank Nifty also performed really well. HDFC Bank was top performer in not only HDFC Bank. Let me go to Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank was also, actually there was a drag in the first part of the trading session, but it was FIIs who were holding to Bank Nifty, right? So HDFC Bank was up by 1.2% to IndusInd Bank, IDFC Bank. So all these banks were performing across the board. All the stocks were in the green. And if you see FII data, FIIs they used to be net sellers. Now they have turned net buyers. That itself is a good news, right? So you can see the difference. If FIIs are selling and DIIs are buying, you can see the volatility, how much we are moving. Like Nifty used to move 400 points or 500 points. Bank Nifty used to move 500, 600, 1000, 200 points, right? Now you see the difference. Once these FIIs are started buying, you see the movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Of course, there is movement. I am not saying there is movement at all. But if you see here, Nifty hardly moved. Maybe it opened at around 17,000. Low was around 17,014. It opened around 17,077. Low was around 1720 and high was around 17,160. Hardly 100, 120, 130 points move in Nifty. So this is the difference when we don't get the FII support and DIIs have to come and fight for us. If they are in sync, we are in sync, or if they are buying, maybe market will not make volatile moves like what we have been experiencing, right? So this is why we are always following FIIs, and you might now understand how important FIIs are, right? And I am showing the charts for last 1 year or more than 1 year. Now people used to just talk. Once the view has come down, they have started showing all the data, right? See, what is this? I have been showing every day, right? For the last 1 year, I have been showing on the charts, open interest, FIIs, graphs, all kind of strategies I am saying. But see, but people are not ready to watch a video. But people just come and read some news like thing, he will have 60, 70,000 views, okay? I'm not saying, I'm not talking about any YouTuber, you don't mistake me, okay? And if you see the futures also, both Nifty and Bank Nifty future is trading at a premium. Now if you see, this is Bank Nifty future, that is August expiry futures, which is trading at around 90 points in premium. And if you see Nifty also, I'll show you Nifty also. Nifty future is also trading at a premium of around 53. So all these things shows us that the markets are bullish and markets are likely to go on the upside. And coming back to this open interest, you see there is a call rating, aggressive calls are being written at 17,100 short straddle is being written. That's what we have also done. We have written 17,100 straddle. People who follow us in our Telegram group is also have written 17,000 short straddle, right? And India VIX has dropped significantly, and Bank Nifty all put writing is happening in Bank Nifty, okay? So but Bank Nifty, if you see the chart, 37,500 and 38,000 is having the highest calls in open interest. Anyway, today around 37,500 alone, they have returned significant puts in around 37,500. This 37,500 puts, whether they have returned whether they have returned puts or bought puts, we really don't know, right? If they have bought this so much of put, means Bank Nifty may come down, or somebody is anticipating that Bank Nifty may come down, right? And if you see the US futures are all in the green. Not only US futures, even our Europe is all in the green. So last 2 days alone, Dow Jones have rallied more than 1,000 points. So everybody is negative. Every positive news available in the market, or any negative news, if there is any, has been factored into. So I think it's time for option sellers. India VIX has come down. It's come down around 16.5. Another maybe if it comes below 15,000, I'll be more than happy. And this is the correct time for option sellers. Even today I did a strangle, almost made good money. Like it was not at all moving, right? It was not at all moving. Like till 3 p.m., 3 o'clock, it was not at all moving. It was just moving 50, 60 points. We made around 30 or 40 points in that, right? So whoever exited the market in the last 6 months, looking at the violent moves up and down here and there, might regret because that was not the time for option sellers. This is the time for option sellers. That was a time for option buyers. Now, if India VIX goes down at this rate, option buyers, I can tell you, will not make any money. You are not going to see any big fat profits in social media, right? So anyway, they can, I'm not saying they will not make money, they can make money, but it's going to be very hard for option buyers to make money when VIX is very low, and it is going to be easy for option sellers to make money when the VIX is also reducing, right? This is a very simple concept, right? So I hope I have summarized all the things. Tomorrow is a weekend. Have a nice weekend, and don't overthink about the market. Let the market go anywhere or do whatever it wants. Let's see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.